Hi guys, welcome back to Destination Motorhomes. My name's Tom and today I get to show you around this Giottiline GiottiVan 60T. Now this vehicle is a 2026 model. It's on the Fiat chassis with 140 brake horsepower. It's 3.5 tonne, meaning no need for a C1 licence. And as you can see, it's finished in the lovely Lanzarote Grey. Now looking at a few of the exterior features, we've got things like your mains hookup, we've got your boiler flue and your wastewater drain just down the bottom. And also we've got the lovely Fiat 16-inch alloy wheels. And coming around the back, you'll see if I just open this up, you have got a fixed bed on this van, meaning you do get a garage space. So garage space underneath with things such as your cab carpets, your habitation carpets and your infill pieces for your third berth. Now this is a 4 travel seat, 3 berth camper van. You've got your gas bottle locker just back here, so you've got room for 2 6-kilo bottles in there, no problem. And this bed does also lift to be able to clip in place, so if you did want bikes or anything taller, you can fit it in the garage, no problem. Now, as we come on round, if you have a look, you've got your water filler point. Now this vehicle does have a onboard fresh water tank, so it is insulated on the inside, meaning it won't freeze over. You've got your awning, so you've got a full length awning right up the top as well, which when wound out, it will pretty much add a van on a van. You've got an electric entrance step and a fly screen on the habitation door. Now we're in the cab of the vehicle, you can see we've got these 2 lovely captain seats just at the front. We've got features such as cruise control, you've got your 8-speed automatic gearbox, which does have 3 different drive modes, so eco, normal and power, depending on how you want to drive. You've got the Pioneer head unit, which has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, things like that all on there. You've got a full set of cab blinds. You've got cab air conditioning, traction plus and hill descent, which are pretty standard Fiat features nowadays. USB-C and USB-C points. And then just in the living area, you can see we've got 2 storage lockers just up the top. We've also got your extra belted seats with ISOFIX points in there as well. So if you are travelling with little ones, it's not a problem at all. And this nice handy table extender just here. So now we're in the middle of the vehicle. You can see on my right hand side you've got your handy worktop extension just over here. You've got your sink. You've also got 2 gas burners over this side. You've got some storage space with your cutlery drawer, and you've got your oven and grill just down the bottom. And then just on my left you've got this really large compressor fridge freezer, which for the size of the vehicle is absolutely brilliant. And then just behind me, you've got a handy wardrobe just here, which in this van is quite a clever design. It does also come out from the shower cubicle, gives you access from this side to be able to hang your clothes, things like that. And it also gives you access into the shower. Now if I just pop it back, you'll see nice and easy, nice and quick. Pops back in, and then over here you have your bathroom. So as you can see, we've got a great sized bathroom. So you can set toilets in there, separate shower cubicle, so it works really, really well. And then just in the rear, you've got this good sized double bed right at the back, which like I said before, does clip up if you wanted to have extra storage down below. Now, if you do want any more information on this vehicle, please feel free to check out our website, destinationmotorhomes.co.uk. Or why not come and take a look? These move quickly, so make sure you're fast.